The Dun& Bradstreet Paydex Business Credit Score. Do you have a Paydex score? You probably have personal credit scores established, and you're probably familiar with your scores at Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. But do you have a Paydex Business Credit Score? The main credit score used in the business world is known as Paydex and is provided by Dun & Bradstreet. The Paydex Business Credit Score assesses a business's lending risk much the same as a consumer credit score reflects a consumer's individual credit risk. The Paydex score is used worldwide to help assess business risk with a risk score ranging from 0 to 100, with 100 being the highest credit score you can obtain. The Paydex score is based solely on your payment history on business obligations. If you pay your business bills on time, you'll instantly establish an excellent Paydex score. But those credit accounts you're paying must report to Dun & Bradstreet for your Paydex score to be established. Having a Paydex business score of 80 or higher is very good, as scores below 70 are very bad. We can help you quickly establish an excellent Paydex credit score. You can then leverage your new business credit score to access cash and credit for your business. So do you have a business Paydex score now? Well, you can contact us today to obtain an excellent business Paydex credit score through Dun & Bradstreet, and we'll help you be approved for over $50,000 in business credit with no personal guarantee or credit check, using your new business Paydex credit score to get approved. Contact us today to learn more.